AMA's Creative Marketing Solutions Agency was founded in 2018 as a way to connect our members with local companies and get real-world experience with marketing.
We work directly with local businesses to give them insights on how they can improve and grow their business.
It allows us to have real-world experiences, and it allows just a broad and eye-opening experience for us as individual students at NC State.
It's common in classes to make recommendations for businesses, but we usually never really get to see them through. CMS members work directly with the clients and the companies that they're working with, and they get to present actual solutions to the problems that they're facing, and these companies actually see them through. They can drive success in the business and really see the effect that they can personally have.
If you're an AMA, you should definitely join the CMS Agency because it is a fantastic opportunity for you to not only grow yourself, but learn the skills you will need to get that career of your dreams.